Say, I'm Rosie. Subscribe. Subscribe. Come see more of me. Hello, Disney family, and welcome back to my channel. So if you watched the previous video, you saw that I did a haul video, and I got my favorites, these guys, and I couldn't wait to unbox them. That's why I'm probably in the same outfit since you last saw me, because it's the same day. And here's Grunty over here. Baby Grunty. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start with this Park Series. It's Park Series 11. I'm sorry that she's so grunty. You wanna hold this one? All right, first, we've got, oh yay, I don't have him. We've got an angry Donald, everybody. And we don't have scissors because ill-prepared as usual. So here is an angry Donald. There he is. Look at him. He's angry. Next we have, ooh, cool, Bolt. I didn't even know Bolt was like a thing anymore. Here he is. He's cute, look at him. Is it just me, or do you guys forget that like Bolt was a thing? There he is. So here is Bolt. He's super cute. Obviously he's got his bolts on the side, but I always forget like Miley Cyrus did a voice in that, right? Didn't she? I feel like she did. Whew. You gonna get out the last one? Let's get it. It's Pluto! That's cool. Okay, I don't have Pluto either. Guys, I don't have any of these guys. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. He's in this like little begging position. Look at him. He's so cute, honey. Look at him. For some reason, these seem larger than the other ones that I have. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna save the villains pack for last. But let's hop into the holiday pack. I feel like I have him. Do I have Pluto? 4th of July Pluto? Maybe I do, I can't remember. I might have 4th of July Pluto. I have 4th of July somebody. So here is Pluto. So cute in his little top hat and his little, look at his little coat. And he's got a bow tie. So cute. Thank you. Yes! What? I do not have Christmas Bell. Look at Christmas Belle. Look at her. She's beautiful. She's got like a beautiful gold bow and then obviously this kind of almost pink undertone to it overcoat. She is gorgeous. And if you didn't know, Belle is my favorite princess, so. And last but not least, we've got, oh, I have him. That's okay. I did get Christmas Bell. It is, I don't love this Winnie the Pooh just because I feel like, I'm surprised that this is kind of, he's in like traditional Native American garb. Like that just feels, I don't know. But here is Winnie the Pooh. He is Thanksgiving Winnie the Pooh. And then last but not least are the villains. Okay, so we have never opened a villains pack on my channel. So you can get Runaway Brain, Maleficent, Jafar, Queen of Hearts, Captain Hook, Scar, Brer Fox, Randall, Chernabog, Cruella de Vil, Wicked Queen, Gaston, Lotso, Shere Khan, Oogie Boogie, Hades, Pete, and Ursula. All right, let's see who we got in here. We've got, ooh, the Evil Queen. Who's the fairest of them all? Who's the fair, oh, she acts like I personally victimized her. It's okay. Let me show you the Evil Queen. Here she is. I'm not sure what she's holding. I think, is that a cup? Is that like a potion cup, maybe? Let me see. Yeah, it's gotta be like a wine glass or a potion cup. Ow. Next is Rare Fox. This is cool. I feel like I never get like these lesser known characters. I mean, who doesn't know him? He's from Splash Mountain. But I mean, like, you know. So here he is. It looks like he's about to call in for the rabbit. Look at him. All right, guys, final one. Ooh, Jafar. I was kind of like secretly hoping for him because on the day that I'm filming, they just released all these different Aladdin like press things. And I feel like Aladdin's gonna get a whole new reboot. But look at Jafar, and he's got his like, oh my gosh. This is a good one. It actually kind of moves, like it's kind of moves. There he is. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and let me know who your favorite character was. Do you collect these? I feel like nobody collects these park packs, but they're my favorite. What are you crying about? Does anybody else collect the park packs? Am I the only one? I don't see anybody else who collects them, so I don't know. Anyway, leave me a comment below if you collect these as well, or what do you collect other than pins? I feel like everybody collects pins, but I'm just wondering, is there any Disney, like unique Disney thing? And I can't seem to find these park packs in the park. I get them at the MCO airport every time I leave. That's where I get them. If you have not joined my Disney family, go ahead and hit that little red subscribe button. You can see more Rosie. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.